What's up, guys? Welcome to Haze Z Motorsports. Today we're going to be installing the Z1 hatch poppers, the Z1 hatch strut kit. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into it. Okay, the first install is quite easy. For the Z1 hatch popper, all you really need to do is to make sure that your car is in the park position or in neutral and the parking brake is up if it's a manual. Open the rear trunk hatch. Remove the OEM lift springs by rotating a quarter turn in either direction. Install the washers onto the Z1 bullet hatch poppers. Now they come with two. I only used one. The extra one is for cars that might have a slight gap in it. But if you don't have a gap with the one, then just use the one. And that's it. And that's pretty much it for the Z1 hatch popper, and the other side is the reverse. And that's it. On to the next one. The Z1 hatch strut kit is quite simple to install. All you need for this is a flathead screwdriver and something to hold the hatch up. Use your screwdriver to remove the upper and lower retaining clips off of the OEM hatch strut. Once the new struts are installed, insert the locking pins, and then you're done. Slowly close the hatch, make sure everything is good, make sure the fitment is fine, and you're pretty much good to go. This is one of the best upgrades for the Z. I'm happy I made this purchase, and thank you, Z1. I don't know, it wasn't sponsored, but they did it again. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please look forward to more videos like this. And yeah, thank you.